Get more people in, like Luke. Okay, Luke it. Oh yeah, you want to play? Hey, Sophia. What? Do you want to play airplane with us? Sure. Go over there with Willie and others. Hi guys. Why are some babies here? Oh, why did you decide to bring babies in? No! That's gotta be the fourth time he's passed out today. And it's not the afternoon yet. Oh my god. Oh, I'm awake now. Oh, why is so much toys on this couch? Oh, that's seriously a pacifier? Really? I wasn't playing with them. I was just sitting here and watching them. Hey guys, you wanna play an airplane? If Luke is playing, I'm about to fight him, man. Oh yeah, I'll play. It's going to be relaxing. Ow. 15 times I fell. You wanna play? Is my sister in? Yes. If you're a friend of Bruno's. So no, it's gonna be so crowded. That's it. Look. Can I play? Yes. Go! Oh, don't bully! You need to find chairs. Well, everybody. Oh my god. You know what? You go find a chair. I'll get the baby setup. The baby seats. I found the perfect chair. Sure. Go be the pilot. I'm the pilot. Oh, why is there so much stuff in the way? No! Off. Stop your boutique. Off. Not right now. Put the band on it. It's perfectly. I gotta go find seats. Go find. Okay, perfect. Found seat. Oh! Found it. Help me. Oh. Help me! Just landed my arms. Let go. Ugh. That was a struggle. Did I break your fall? Kind of. What? This is actually perfect for a baby. Nice, isn't it? No! This is for babies. I was just joking with you. You have to move this couch. Gotta move this couch. Maybe. This is how it's gonna look. It's getting old. Oh, perfect order. Here you go, Penelope. This is why I did. Feel bad. She doesn't know what's going on. Here, have a pillow. like your head. How does he get the pillow? Okay, I want the pillow. This is the pillow. This is a pillow. And it's in your favorite color, pink. Okay, perfect. The most perfect. Cat. I love cats. Meow. The nose looks like a demon. It's like it nose has demon horns. That's his ears, sorry. That's his ears, Sophia. I know what I'm saying. It looks like demon horns. It kind of looks like demon